Hey everybody, good night. Welcome back to my channel. Today's another exciting evening. The secret of getting ahead is getting started. So in tonight's video, I'm going to be doing my BoxyCharm review. I got my PR box and my paid box, so let's get into it. If you want to see what I got, just keep on watching. Okay, BoxyCharm is a monthly subscription box. We get 5 full-size beauty items for the price of $27.99. Average box is about $175. Once you subscribe to Boxy Base, you can upgrade to Boxy Premium and Luxe once subscribed. Anyways, let's just get right into this video. I'm super excited. This is a new box. Oh, here's a little bubble wrap. It's called Spring Virtual. Here it is right here, and here's all the products on the back. Let's dive right in. This is my PR box. So the first item is from Beauty Bakery. It's right here, and it's a palette, I believe. How are you doing? Here it is right here. This retails for $38. Let's look at it. I will also have all this up on my Instagram, swatches and everything too. Oh, this is beautiful. Look how pretty these colors are. These colors are gorgeous, and they will look good against my skin tone. And the look I have on is from Michaela's palette. Michaela's Glam Light palette. This is beautiful. Thank you, BoxyCharm, for gifting me this. I'm super excited to just keep going over it. The next item is from Pure Reals Rose Petal Sleeping Mask. Sleeping masks are great for your face. When you just want to put something on your face and go to bed, it's right here. Let's see what it looks like. This retails for $55. Wow. Oh, and it has a little spatula. Oh, wow. And it has little rose. Looks like it has rose petals and rose water to moisturize, revitalize your skin while sleeping. Yep. I truly believe in face mask for nighttime. Oh, it smells so good. I wish you guys could smell it. It's beautiful too. They really do help and hydrate your face during the night. I am excited to use that. Thank you, BoxyCharm. The next item is from Christopher Robin Instant Volume Mist with Rose Water. It's right here. It's for your hair. I'm going to be dyeing my hair later, hopefully tonight, because I got a lot of like wishful hairs, if you want to call them that. This mist makes thin, fine, flat hair feel thicker and fuller. That's what I need. Look at my hair. It's a hot mess. This retails for $39. The next item is from Item Beauty by Addison Rae Lash Snack Brightening Mascara. That is right here. Okay, the packaging kind of looks really pretty. Wait, I can't get it out. Oh yeah, the packaging is pretty. There it is there. I'm not going to open it because I might put this in a future giveaway, because I don't really use mascaras right now because I do get my lashes done. I think I might take a break from doing lashes. I don't know, but I do like getting them done. It makes it look so pretty. This retails for $15. And the last item is from Persona Cosmetics, a 24-hour eyeliner. I don't want to open it yet, but it's in here. It's in this packaging right here. Okay, back. So let's add up this box and see how much the retail value is. So 38 plus 55 plus 39 plus 15 plus 14. So this box averages to $161. Let's compare it to my paid box. Let me just put everything back in it. And again, I will have pictures on my Instagram, so go follow me at Nerissa. And BoxyCharm, thank you for gifting me this beautiful box. Let's look into the other one. Here is my paid box. And it's still Spring Virtual. Oh, I got some of the same items. So I already got these 2 items in my PR box, and I got them in my paid box. So we'll go ahead and put those in here. I got the Christopher Robin Instant Volume Rose Water. So that is $39. Plus the Addison Rae Mascara plus 15. Okay, and this was exciting because this is my choice was the Anastasia Beverly Hills Luminous Foundation. I mean, it was hard to like choose colors, so I hopefully this color will work. Okay, I got a little bit on my hand. Oh god, it's so orangey. Oh shit, it's so freaking orangey. Wow, look at the color. That's okay. I can mix it with another foundation. Oh my god, it's so freaking orangey. Oh. It is what it is. That's too funny. It's hard to pick your shade when you're looking online rather in person. But that retails for $38. Wow, $38 for some foundation. And this is a water-resistant liquid foundation. Okay, that creates a luminous natural finish. It's supposed to be lightweight and ultra-fresh. Luminous foundation blurs any imperfection without caking and masking skin. Oh my god, but it's so freaking on. Look, I got tan. Oh, I was in Hawaii for last week, so this video is a little bit late and I apologize about that. But I will get it up either tonight or tomorrow. But yeah, I got really tan. I got really, really dark. Okay, so the next item I got was by Celia. Glacier Clay Cleaner. Gentle Glacial Cleansing Cream. Right here. Let's turn this light down a little so you could see it. There we go. This cleansing cream, and this retails for $45. This Gentle Glacial Cleansing Cream helps remove a makeup, environmental pollutants, and dead facial skin cells. Well, everybody can always use a gentle cleanser on their face. I'm sure there's a little sealer on it. Can't smell it. But about $45 for this? That's really cool. And the last item I got was by Lucky Chick Liquid Eyeshadow. Okay, that's right here. This retails for $22. Let's look at the color. Oh, it's like a neutral pink shade. It's kind of pretty. Let's see what it looks like on the skin. So it's right here. Pretty. These are like good for when you just only have time to throw it on and go. That's what I think like liquid eyeshadows are good for. So this, my paid box retails for $159. So almost about the same as the PR box. But so since I got two items that are both the same in both boxes, I think I like my PR box better this month. But that's okay. That's only because I like palettes and that's fun. But in comparison, I still love BoxyCharm. I love getting it. I love to be able to try out all these products. And I will be doing a giveaway soon. I need to do a giveaway because I have so much stuff everywhere and I need to get rid of it all eventually. But like I said, I was in Hawaii. It was wonderful. I had to get away. Too much was going on. I just needed a break from life. One of my best friends, Amanda, hi Amanda, she did a half marathon and invited me to go to Hawaii with her, and we had a blast. I will talk about all this in another video if you guys want. So before Alice got to Wonderland, she had to fall. Thank you all for coming back to my little channel. I need to post more on here. I know. I'm trying to get my life together, I promise. And that's all for tonight, everybody. I hope you guys are all doing well, and I will all see you guys later. Bye, everybody.